Are you drowning in Easter eggs? I hope you're having a nice holiday. If you have too many Easter eggs, I am going to share a recipe of how to use them up. If you don't know me, I'm Jill. I'm your Generation Jones midlife BFF, and I share healthy-ish recipes and midlife musings here on the internet. Make sure you follow for more and stay tuned for my high-protein deviled egg dip. If you love deviled eggs, and I love deviled eggs, and I especially love the inside part, the yellow part, you are gonna love this deviled egg dip. And you make it using today's it girl, cottage cheese. 1 cup cottage cheese, a healthy squirt of yellow mustard, one whole hard-boiled egg, and then I'm also gonna drop in just an extra yolk. Teaspoon of relish, some fresh dill, and some salt and pepper. Some smoked paprika. Top it with a little more paprika, just like a hard-boiled egg. It tastes exactly like the inside of a deviled egg, a creamy deviled egg. It's delicious. High protein, low calorie. Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.